Hi friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. Today's video is going to be a trash to treasure. I actually saw something and I will try to remember to insert a picture that I wanted, and it was a bit expensive. And I remembered that I had thrifted these blades from ceiling fans, and I thought I can make that. So it's a Christmas DIY, a farmhouse Christmas DIY. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to try to recreate what I saw and wanted out of these. So the products or the list of things we'll need for this project are two of these ceiling fan or any cut of wood that you might have on hand. Doesn't have to be this. This is what I have, so this is what I'm using, and it will take two. I am using some red paint, and this is Dixie Belle, and it's called Born Red. I am also going to have to use white paint, or if I have any, and I'm not sure, but that'll come later, gold to go around the edges of this once it's all painted and everything. You're going to need a stencil of your choice, and I think that's it. Oh, of course you'll need embellishments. Some greenery and some flowers, and all of that will come later. So I'm going to show you how I work this out, and then you can let me know if it looks anything similar to what I saw, okay? So come on in and let's get crafting.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the coffee cup, I'm falling.
Hey friends, I'm sorry, but I had some corrupt footage, so you didn't see me actually painting this. I'm finishing up the paint now, but you saw them in the beginning. They were white ceiling fan blades, but somehow I lost some footage, and well, actually it was there, but it was corrupt, so it wouldn't play. But I just wanted to let you know what I had done. That's all I have done, was to put a coat of red paint onto what were white ceiling fan blades. Family, I had mentioned using a stencil, but instead I didn't have one that said what I wanted it to say. So I used my Cricut instead, and you can see me here. Um, I've printed it out. It says Jingle All the Way, and I'm taking, well, what we call it is picking, and I'm taking the insides out so that it will show up really pretty on the piece. Also, the blades now have two coats of red paint. The first coat, once it dried, I could see streaks, so I went back and added another coat. And now I've printed this, like I said, on my Cricut, and I'm getting it ready to be transferred to the blades. Also, besides adding two coats of the red paint, I used E6000 to glue and set the blades together. They are now attached at the top, and although I didn't cover the holes, that's okay, because as you'll see further down in the video, the embellishment will cover those. But I want to let you know what I used to seal them. I did use E6000 and a little bit of uh, hot glue just to hold it together into the E6000 set. That's what I've done
Just
here.
like these snowflakes tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling, just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on the to land, because I'm falling just like the snowflakes tumbling down, round and round, and around, just like the snowflakes falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Just go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it in your eyes, so it's true.
Friends, sometimes less is best. And you'll see at the end, I decided not to use the bow. I think it had enough adornment. I tried to put it there because it was pretty, and my inspiration piece had a bow. But after adding the bell, I decided not to use the bow. So tell me what you think. Should I have used the bow, or do you? So, friends, this is my inspiration piece. Isn't it cute? I just fell in love with it when I saw it at Walmart. But I just didn't want to pay that price for it. And it dawned on me that I had purchased those ceiling fan blades back in the summer from Habitat for Humanity. So I'm going to put my piece next to this one. I realize that they're different, but I am very happy with the outcome of mine. And as it comes up here, you'll see that it's very close. It's not on my tree yet, but you will see it there. I don't have the little hanging jingle bells because I didn't have a stencil. And yeah, I could have made one, but I'm happy with the way that this turned out. Not the same, but let's say a close second, maybe. And so there they are, side by side. And now that I look at it, I guess I could have added the bow beneath the adornment on top. Let me know in the comments below if you think I should still add the bow. Otherwise, I'm very happy with it. I like the way that it came out. Also, let me know if you like that as well. It's a bit different, but I got it and I didn't have to pay for it. So I'm pleased. And so, guys, if you haven't already, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button below. And once you hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming videos. I have several more Christmas DIYs that I want to share with you guys before the season is over, and then much, much more even afterwards. This is a lifestyle channel, and we do a little bit of it all. Decorating, DIYing, upcycling, recipes, and sometimes we just discuss life. So I'm happy that you came along with me while I did this today. It was actually a fun little DIY. And it's even better when it doesn't cost you anything, right? You agree? If you do, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that as well. So I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, reminding you to meet me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and I also have a blog, and I do a lot of organizational articles over there. So it's a little different. Sometimes I take what I do over here, over there, but rarely do I bring what I do over there, over here. So that might be another venue that you would thoroughly enjoy. And I hope you would go over and check it out. And guys, with that said, I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, as I said, with my hugs and my blessings. I wish you all well. Happy Thanksgiving. And remember, you are appreciated here at A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
I'm on my way again. Can't believe it's been a year. Riding through the winter night, thinking of my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you, and I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you, 'cause you're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper,